Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create the whiteboard effect in CapCut PC. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So what you have to do is to head over to effects, and here in effects we have opening and closing. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here in opening and closing you should see whiteboard. Okay, you can also add this to your favorites, so you don't have to search every time you're looking for this effect. You don't have to do that. You just simply go to your favorites here and you're gonna be able to find this effect. As you can see, right, grab it now and drag it onto the timeline. Now we have this effect. I would like to use this effect right at the end of the video. Now when you play the video you have this, but you don't have this because you have to also select the video and increase the speed, so it's much slower because that's what I like. Play the video and now you have the white. Let's actually put it here, and you have here this effect, as you can see. Perfect. You can increase the speed if you click on the video. You can increase the speed. Okay, pretty cool effect, and it's very easy to add this effect to your video. Now you can also add a cinema effect from here. This is most useful at the beginning of the video. So yeah, make sure you go to effects, and here you have tons of effects available for you. CapCut made available a lot of updates, a lot of effects for you. So you can simply go to the effects page, and here you have a lot of effects. So make sure you subscribe, guys, for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.